Today I'm going to show you how to install the FX editor and Open PCS from the Fidelix website. Open your browser and type support.fidelix.com on your address bar. Then click on Downloads, go to Downloads and choose Latest Program Versions. Now scroll down to FX Editor. It's here, and select Installation Instructions. And on this site, search for the new installation, which is down here. And for the first installation, you need to install the Open PCS software first. So click here and then click here. This will bring you back to latest program versions. Now scroll down to section Open PCS and CAP files and click on Program. Our next step is to download Open PCS and the Open PCS drivers. You can download Open PCS 6.7.4 or 7.4.1. They have slightly different functionalities, but they're mostly the same. Now open your folder and extract the zip file. Now run the executable file as administrator. So by doing this, just right-click and run as administrator and click Yes. Next, click Accept the terms. Next, input your data to customer information. Press Next, 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 and Install. From here, click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and you need to search for your drivers. And on my computer, it was this folder, Sample Projects. The drivers are here, so click the folder and click OK. The drivers will show up here once again, so click the bar and install. Click Yes, Yes, and OK. Now the drivers are installed, so you can click Exit. And this will finish up the Open PCS installation. Click Finish, and now you have successfully installed the Open PCS, and you can even try to open it. Thank you for watching.